catch 'em all.
Oh boy, oh well, start back over again. I don't know what I did. Need to keep my hands off stuff. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't walk through there. I mean, because I don't know if it's any, yeah, I don't know if it's anything I could literally climb back up from there. So, let's see. All right, so all the little trees. Of course, everybody see trees. Trees ain't nothing unless they turn colors. Ooh. Now, that's what I'm saying. I'm glad I didn't walk through here. I mean, you can walk down there, but I'm not going down there because I don't want to get chewed up by mosquitoes. So I'm just walking just to be walking. I'm not doing Prissy P thing. I walk when I get ready and exercise when I get ready. So I'm saying that is a terrible drop off. So we might go through here, through that street over there. That's where all the big houses at. Ooh. Nah, let me see. If we could get it off just to show you. That is a drop. That's a drop. I'm glad I didn't take that chance walking through there. Woo. Yeah, see, they got a bike trail right there where you could go through, but I like just to walk up here. We're gonna go over here and see what's up. See, if you got a good mountain bike, you could actually cut through here and just ride all the way through. And whew, this water stink down here. Something stinky, funky. That's funky. So yes, y'all not seeing my face today. You see my face all the time. Oh Lord, hold on, let me go over this way. See, look at that. See, just showing you that's a drop. See, I'm glad I didn't take that chance walking through there, because ain't no way coming back up out of that. I don't know how deep that is, you know, but we're gonna walk around back down here. So, show y'all some other sides. Now, this is definitely relaxing right here. Ouch! God dang it! You piece of little stick! How? I don't know why my mama calling me. She always bugging somebody when I'm videoing. I don't got time for that. So of course, shake her again. So we get ready to see all the water and over this little bridge right here. And like I said, we got right there. You can walk or ride your bike. And it's very pleasant through here. It's home away from home. Of course, I know a lot of people live all down them streets there. You got to have a piece of change just to live over there. Or work yourself to death just to live over there. My friend, he working 3 jobs and a half, and he be half sleepy trying to maintain where he stay at. I like, boy, you a fool. All right, now last time I seen some big giant spiders, and I don't want to get ate up, bitten or nothing. Wow, that is so beautiful. That's why I want to come down and do like a ASMR. Just sit down there by that rock right there and let the water, water make music. You just gotta listen to it. Water have their own music sounds. See, it may not be deep right here. This ain't nothing, but going out towards way out through that is deep. It's real deep. All right, we're about to walk around. I can literally just go in a circle here, but I choose not to. Probably just walk right back where I started from. But it ain't nothing. 7 minutes in. I don't know. I see something right there. I don't know what that is. Oh, you know what? That's a street. Duh. Yeah. So this definitely I'm vlogging. I told everybody I'd be doing this. You know what? I'm about to walk over there. I just want to see what's over and down in here. I'm sure it's the pond, of course. All this darn grass. Feel like a bunch of spiders rolling up my leg. See, there ain't no signs back here, so it's okay to walk through here. Okay. Look at the squirrels. They just having so much fun. I'm not here to hurt y'all. I like squirrels. I don't mind putting one of you on my plate, but I don't eat squirrels. I don't want nobody to think I eat squirrels. I ain't never had a squirrel. I don't know what they taste like. I'm sure it probably tastes like chicken. Everything tastes like chicken. What that say? American USA patent. I don't know. Ooh, look at the little steps. So we're gonna walk down here. All right. So, yes, now I'm away from all these big trees and stuff. This is very pleasant. We just don't want Jason to be coming out, whatever he be saying. A lot of vines. Wow, you almost can see at the bottom of this. Well, there ain't nothing there, but I'm trying to see if I see any fish and stuff. You know, we're gonna go over where this noise coming from here. I mean, I love nature walk. I'd rather live in a country instead of the city. The city is just as crazy, retarded people all the time. Yep, so I'm down here where I was. I was up there where I showed y'all guys. And this is very relaxing. The bridge is back up through here. I don't know if y'all can be able to see that bridge, but yeah. And you don't want to step out there nowhere. It's slippery. You'll bust your behind like you on ice somewhere. Bam! Like, woohoo! I'm hurt. And I'm about to swim with the fishes. But I don't know if it's any fish in this water. I ain't never seen nobody fish down here, of course. But yes, this is, I don't know what it sounds like on camera. But yeah. Alright, we're gonna ready to walk back up this way here. Let's see. Oh, you know what? Let's go over this way here. I like how these rocks, the rocks look from here. Uh-oh. Okay. We got deer prints. Them are deer prints right there. I don't want to mess with nobody's home. Ooh, that looks freaky. Like an alligator gonna come out and get me. Oh, look, I don't know if you, wait a minute, hold up. Let me see if I could get a better zoom on this here. The bricks got little holes in it. If you can see the little holes, I think that's where a lot of little creatures stays at. Oh yeah, I don't have to zoom. It's beautiful. So, yeah. And look how the rocks is literally made the ground. Man always tearing up something. And back up that way, up this way here is a road goes down towards the hospital and wherever you want to go. Okay, so I gotta walk through here. You know what? All right, let's go through here. Okay, let me see. I don't want to get prick. I gotta pay attention what type of plants I'm looking at, trees. Now look, now this is exactly somebody's home. Wow, the ground is really soft. Okay, let me just back away from walking over here. Wow, it's so crazy how what you can see there and it's coming down. It's like this right here, the water's sitting up higher and coming over. But we're gonna see. All right, let me get somewhere so I can get up over. And all right, too many bugs, too many bugs, too many bugs. I want to eat them. They, bzzz, I want to eat them. You know me, I would eat these bugs. Let me put my own seasoning to them. Okay, we're climbing back up. I hope y'all like this video, because I've been trying to get over here to do this, but it's been so hot. That's the weirdest mushroom I ever saw. It's got little prickly things on it. When I go home, I'm gonna look that up and see what type of mushroom that is. I know it's not eatable. I mean edible, but I'm not gonna try to figure that out. How you doing? Oh, no, I'm okay. Thank you. Yeah, so this is the tree. I don't know what happened to this tree, but of course, somebody else walking. I don't know where he came from through there, but he did kind of startle me though. But I did because I was not paying attention. All right, so what we're gonna do is walk through here, so I can show you a lot of other little things. Oh wow! Oh, I thought I could walk through. Wait a minute, hold on. How can I get over here? Let's go this way here. Wow, look how clear that water is, yo. Wow. This is gonna be a long video, but it's all good. Okay. I know somebody who stay over in that house there. That's a big house. That house there got like 6 bedrooms and a half. And a lot of toilet bowls, and there's only 2 of them who lives there, and they only got 2 butts but 6 toilet bowls. You know what you need all them toilet bowls for what, only 2 booties in a house? But you know, I can't say. Well, let me see. Is that an under cave? You know what? I'm about to go over there. I'm about to see what that is. Okay, let me see. Yeah. Phew. If I ain't get my walk on here, I don't know what. You got to climb over things and do this and do that. So yeah, I truly hope y'all really enjoy this vlog of me walking around through Shaker. If you want to call it Shaker Park, I guess. See. I want to see what I saw over there. I'm not for sure. Whew. I should have brought some spray with me, but I only got bitten one time. Said I gotta pay attention where I'm walking. You don't want to step over there. You step and miss that, boom. Whole foot, you going down. These darn bugs. What's wrong with you? So, ain't no snakes over here. Man, I hope I find a snake. A fat one. Fat, juicy one. You know where is it going, y'all? It's going in my belly. Tell that snake, get in my belly. Well, anybody would love to walk through here? Let's see, another road over there. Hold up. Let me, so you can see the cars go by. So I'll let you know. Oh, look at the deer. Oh, and they got little baby antlers. Oh, that is so cute. I'm not gonna do nothing, little fella. Oh, I love deers. They are so pretty. See, look. He's right there in a little orange, kind of brown, orange brown. See, he looking at me and I'm looking at him. I told you it was deers in this park. So, of course, I'm about to walk through here. It's a little trail. See, oh, it's two of them. Wait a minute, it's two. Hold up, it's two of them. I did not see the other one. He blends in so well. Let me see. Okay, the one right there, and then the one is right there. So it's two of them over there. Wow, blend in real good. They could be ninja deers. They be throwing little antler stars at you. Gotcha. Yep. I enjoy doing this. This the kind of stuff I actually like to do. You know. I would like to go treasure hunting, but unless only if a few houses had been over here, then I'd do it for that reason. But I don't know if any houses was on this land or not. Ooh, look at that tree, y'all. All right. So I know I'm getting close to a road up here. Like I said, y'all don't need to see my face. You know what? I don't know what little creature live in that little hole. I wish I could just see him come out though. All right. So we is definitely walking through some stuff here. So I'm gonna say I maybe might be a good two or 3 miles away from my house. But I got my inhaler, I got my EpiPen, and got enough charge on my battery to charge my phone, because I don't go nowhere without it. Some days I do. All right, let's see what's going on here. So, all right, I think this might be the last stop through here. Yeah, I guess it is. We coming out right there. And now we about to so now we about to hit far way out through woods. So we out from here. Hello, how are you? So let's see. My house is right down that road down there, yo. Everybody talking about, oh, Cleveland is real bad, yo. Nah. I don't know where y'all from or where y'all stay at, but yeah. So, I enjoy doing this walk, and yeah, I love it. How you doing? So, I couldn't walk anymore. Can't get over that way. So, we're at North Park Road. North Park is up here where all the rich people stay at. And yeah. So, but it's still a beautiful park, beautiful scenery, and see, we back at another big giant circle, right? Big giant circle, and back again. Yeah, Cleveland Heights. So this a pretty big park here. And remember when I was telling y'all it's a road goes straight down? Of course, it's a road goes straight down. And I can't see if I can see any other way getting to the park, but I have to walk all the way back through there and walk all the way back down. So if you like this video, I think I said it earlier, so I don't have to say it no more. So to get to see it. But that's it. So I'm gonna be oh, you know what? Nah, I'm gonna keep this going. I'm about to walk on the other side, but I doubt it. I doubt it seriously. Oh, wow. He must have been working like a baboon. Looking like a baby. How you doing, sir? So that's the a little area you could cut through to get back over to the park and walk all the way around. And you know what? Yeah, why not? No, wait a minute. Yeah. Oh no, wait a minute. Oh, well, why not? Just go see what's through here. Now, don't this look creepy? Like, why is Rico is going through here? Because I'm a creepy little dude. I'm creepy, yeah. I like I'm walking through things. I want to see what's up. So, whew. So, I guess we can. I'm about to walk through here. Wow. Look how. Nah, that's a tree been poor, fall down through all these storms here, yo. See, this tree's about to eventually come down. Anything start digging like that from a tree, this tree is about to come down eventually. All right, let's see what's going on. I might just go over to some friends in them house later. I've been trying to get these rich boys to and girls. They got money, but they loaded. But I don't bother if they don't want to do YouTube. That's understandable. Ooh, that's a nice tree. Oh, it's dead though, but it's a nice tree. Yeah. I ain't gonna show their house. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, oh, look at another deer. Oh, don't you see it right there, yo? See him walking? Let me keep my keys quiet so they don't run. Oh, he saw me. He saw me. He saw me. All right. Okay. That's the big bad boy there. I ain't bothering him. let me just leave him alone. Cause see, the ones with the bigger antlers, they'll chase you through here, and they good runners. So I'm gonna keep my eye on him. Now I'm not afraid. It's just the idea. You don't want to get to where they can't get nowhere where they can run. They'll stumble right over you and keep on going like it ain't nothing. So, yeah. That could be a little freaky just to be out here like this. But I'm not scared of nothing. It's just I do not wish to walk through a graveyard. No. Oh, wait a minute. There's another side. All right. I think I'm about to cut this off. Let me see. Either go that way or go through here. I'm going through here. This is a big park, yo. So, let me see. All right. I don't want to go that direction. I'm going to go through here. Okay. Yep. We're going through here. Uh-oh. Woo! You don't want to get poked by them. Okay. Wow. I really want to go through that tunnel, water tunnel, but I don't got the right equipment. I don't know if y'all can see that little circle part right there, but I don't got the right equipment on just to go through that. Oh, look at the chipmunks. Oh, them little baboons, boy, or something else. Hey, of course. Oh, it won't. I can't see them. The little chipmunks be gone. It be like, the little legs, little body be gone. So, back up on the other side, and where I walk, it was like around a corner from these bushes here. So, they got a little one part here. I don't feel like walking that direction. I mean, I can go that direction because that'll take me straight to my house. Yeah. Oh. But this is also part of Cover Street. Oh, what's in here? Hello down there. Wow. Anybody want to go down in there? You know, I know who'll go down in there. Frank will go down in there. Frank, there's your little home just for you. I'm just messing with you, Frank. You know I gotta mess with you. Yeah, since I've been doing YouTube, it's fun. I mean, I have my run in with one, and hopefully, God will fix that person, and because I can't fix a human being, because you can't change people the way to how they feel. And no, I never did nothing to that person, but it's cool though. Yeah. All right, y'all. So this is it. I'm almost close to 40 minutes in. Wait a minute, that's a deer? Oh, that's a tree. Hold on. Trying to see. Oh no, that's a tree. So that was a deer. So yes, this is a big, if you really want to get your exercise on, come through here on a nice pleasant day and get to walking. See, I don't want it just to be walking. I like to do nature walk because you get to see things and things will be completely different. Like this tree, I like stuff like this. Yeah, I like nature walk. I just don't want to do regular walking. Regular walking is boring. you'd be like, I don't want to do that no more. So, hey, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna cross this street here and then walk up. Yeah, I enjoy doing this. Oh boy, boy. Yeah, I know a few days, day ago, I wasn't feeling too good. But you never know how, if anybody got trouble with asthma, no, it could be very tricky. Okay, you know what? We're gonna cross this street here. I can take the light. I can take the light. I could cross the street. I'm crossing the street. Cross the street. Now that is really ignorant. Why? Why you just can't just throw it away when you get done drinking it? You darn drunk head. So, show you the other side of this pond. Well, whatever you want to call it. So, that's how big. That's a whole big apartment. And down that way, it's a road leads to everything. All right, I gotta wipe my face, y'all. So, let me see. Any spiders? Any spiders? I'm looking for your baboons. I'm not getting bit no more. I got bit by a spider last time I playing around. This is very relaxing. Very, very relaxing. I want to know, this my gold. I found my gold. This my gold. I found my gold. No, didn't find no gold here. So yeah, I always want to check and see what's going on, y'all. See, I know somebody who stay in that big, huge house right there. Yeah. Yeah. But I don't think they're at home right now. If I'm not mistaken, I think they went out of town. I forgot where though, So what we're gonna do is just walk through here. I'm gonna walk up through here, and y'all can see my face and all. But yeah, I enjoyed it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I told you. So, so now I gotta wait. Okay. See, ain't no. I hate this light. This little red. This thing never be working correctly. So. So right now, I'm walking back up my street and back up on the other half. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Yes. Yes, I like it. I enjoy it. So back down, back over. So not to show, the houses and all. Keep that, private as much as you can. But yeah, see what I'm saying? So we just want to just keep it nice and clean. And I don't want to be vlogging something, you got to get permission just to, see, that's the name of them. So you got to be really careful here. I know a lot of people who live over here as well. It's a beautiful place, and but when I had started vlogging just Shaker, nature walk. I'm put on here vlogging, nature walking. Them bugs really did ate me up pretty good, and but I'm okay. And if you ever get bit by mosquitoes and you don't have nothing to help that, get you some regular aspirins, crush them down, and make like a paste out of them, and rub it onto the parts where it's itching, and boy, you will